What is going on, everybody? My name is one of the gamers, Josh Shano, and I need you guys to do me a big favor. Please pray for that cat right there. See, the cat's name is Tigger. Watch. Pray for that one. Please, please pray for that cat and that. Please pray for Tigger. Please pray for Tigger. She is so sick that there's a chance of her dying or living. Please pray that she can live. So yeah, guys, please rate, comment, subscribe, and please, I mean, please pray for that cat. That cat is so sick. Please pray for that cat, please.